Hi guys, welcome to the channel sqlgod. In this video, we are going to discuss about left join. What is a left join? Left join is a type of join which returns all the records from the left table and the matching records from the right table, table 2 in this example. And if no record is present from this table 2, then we'll simply get table 1 as a result. Let's see this with an example. So here we have two tables, orders table where we have some information related to orders, and customers table where we have some information related to customers. Let's say we have their name, their address, city, etc. And the primary key or unique identifier in this case is customer ID in both the tables, which is present in both the tables. And what's a requirement? Let's say we have a requirement here that we need that another team needs this complete data related to the orders. And it's good to have if we also have the name of the customers. It's good to have if we have name also. So they're asking send this complete data, and if you have name also, then please share. So what we'll do is here, we'll use the left join in this table to find all the names for customers for which we have data in another table. So we'll write a query with the help of left join. We can do this. So the query will be something like select orders dot star, that is everything from the orders table, comma customers dot customer name from orders left join customers on orders dot customer ID customers dot customer ID. So we have joined on the basis of this primary key. We have joined both the tables and left join. Now we will have all the rows from this table, and we'll get all the names if they get matched with this customer ID. We'll get the name in front of those customer IDs in orders table. So if we will run this, what will be our result? Our result will something look like we'll get this complete table in the result, and we'll have another column. Another column was customer name, right? So we'll get another column, and if the value of this customer ID will match in this table, we'll get that name. So we have matching customer IDs for customer ID 1, 2, and 3 only. We have name of these customer IDs only. So the name will get these names in the final, and these values, these rows will have blank values. They'll have null values. Nothing will be present in these cells in the final. So with the help of left join, what we are getting is we are simply getting complete left table and all the matching values from the right table. As we have seen in this definition that in left join, we get all the records from the left table and all the matching records from the right table. If the values will not match, we'll simply get null values. Okay. So in example, we can also see that some of the values are present here in A. This is complete A. And this is complete B. This is A intersection B. Some of the values from B are present in this table also. In our case, it was 1, 2, 3. right? 1, 2, 3 from B, that is from customers table, was also present in A. These 1, 2, 3 were present here also. So with the help of this diagram, we can see that some of the data is present in A and some of the data is present in B. And some of the values are present in both A and B, which is this section of this diagram. This is A intersection B. And in our example, this is A, this is B. And the common values which are present in both the tables are 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3. All right. So in left join, we saw that all the values of B are getting here, and all the values which are present in the right table will be listed here, which is these values. So 1, 2, 3 are present here, but rest of the values, for the rest of the values, that is for 11, 25, 40, 88, we do not have anything in here. They are present, 1 to 3 are present here, and rest of the values, that is 11, 25, 40, all of them are present here. So they won't be having any name, right? Because name is present only till here. They'll not have anything, any name or any value from the section B. There are some more use cases of left join. Let me give you a brief about them. So what if we want to find out all the values in which are present in A, but they are not present in B? In our example, it will be, we want these values 11, 25, 40, 88, all these rows. No value should be present in table B. That is, I do not want any value, any customer ID which is present in customers table. So what we'll do in that case? After left join, we'll simply add this line. What does this mean? That I want everything from A, but I do not want anything from B. That is where b.id is null. B should not be present anywhere in the A. We saw that 1, 2, 3 is present here in A intersection B. Right? If I'll write this line, that is b.id is null, it means that nothing from the B should be present in A, and we will get all the values present in A, but not in A intersection B. Okay. And another example is from left join, we can also create inner join. How? We want everything from A which are also present in B, which is equal to inner join. And query will look something like this. Select everything from A, left join B, where b.id is not null. That is, B should be present. So you tell me at what place in here where A is also present and B is also present, right? Which is A intersection B, right? Which is also called inner join. So with the help of this left join where b.id is not null, we can also get inner join. I hope this helped you guys. Please subscribe to my channel and thank you for watching.